Tanner McNally with Evergreen Exteriors here, showing roof inspection on 4525. We're seeing the tiniest bit of creasing. Got these little hip and ridge shingles. It's on the front side. Nice gutter guards. They're at the home, showing good protection. Shingles are showing a little bit of fiberglass showing through. Nothing terrible though. Minimal thermal cracking. So if we're looking over here, we're not seeing a whole lot of thermal cracking. Here's the field, continuing up. Nice high profile ridge. It's still looking in good shape. Minimal low nails. A couple flappers. Older staple down construction. Staples are not caulked. Couple RV49s right here. Some pipe jacks. They're not showing cracking around. Looking like they're in pretty good shape still. More RV49s. RV49s losing their paint, but still appear to be in good shape. Chimney right here. Looks like this was serviced at some point, somewhat recently. New nails on the bottom edge. Little diverter flashing down here. This was not the best idea. Another diverter over here on this side. Same issue on these hip and ridge shingles. A little bit of creasing over here. Nothing crazy. Same with the hip and ridge shingles over here. A little bit of creasing, nothing crazy. Over here we can see some difference in the rows, just different bundles stepping up. Just weathered out a little bit differently than others. Another pipe jack right here. This has nails in it. Pipe jack boot is still in good shape. Another little flapper vent, staples around it. A little hip and ridge shingle right here, a little bit of creasing. The gutter guards. An actual California valley. Actually, no, it's an actual cut valley. Great insulation, that's awesome. Looks like they're nicely cut away from the roof right here. The fascia is not touching the roof deck. Siding is not touching the roof deck. More nice gutter guards coming to the top. Looks like this shingle was replaced at some point. Another area, fascia, not touching the roof deck. Here's a little bit of moss, nothing crazy. Siding, also cut back, nicely flashed. A couple exposed nails, but nothing crazy. Consistent with the age of the roof. Newer solar tube. A little bit of creasing from removal and replacement of that solar tube. Here's a little flapper vent. It's been knocked free. Looks like someone has tried to repair it a couple different times. Needs to be reattached. Little chimney. This boot is in pretty good shape. A little bit curling right there. RV49 exposed nails right here. More exposed nails. Two more jacks. Lifting a little bit. These nails just need to be reattached. Fixed. More exposed nails on a flapper. Exposed nails. Don't love this fix. Done by someone. Exposed screws right there. Whoever installed this sunroom right here. satellite dish. Space is looking good too. Good clean gutter guards. Everything's looking pretty good. Last field right here. All these northern facing slopes are looking considerably better. On the southern we're seeing fiberglass, and then lots more fiberglass over here exposed, versus the northern slope is looking pretty gosh darn good still. Okay, that's it. Roof inspection done.